Hey guys, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my video for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are regularly watching me, then you guys must be already knowing that मेरे घर पे कलर का काम चालू था and at my room I haven't done any of the makeover. So I haven't done anything. Yes, because वहाँ पे tiles है तो tiles को तो कलर नहीं कर सकते. So I thought to order wallpaper from Amazon and I ordered one full size mirror from Ikea and few things here and there. So I am planning to do little makeover of my room. So let's see how it turned out. But before that, do subscribe to my channel and let's go into the video. Okay guys, so if you guys are seeing me, मेरा हालत ऐसे ही रहने वाला है because already बहुत सारा काम करना है and my brother and mom will help me as usual. So yes, so I'll just show you, just hold on. Okay, these are the wallpapers. ये हम लोग ने अच्छे से बहुत अच्छे से पैक करके आया था. I'll put the link in the description box. And पहले से I decided like I wanted this kind of wall only. It's a brick wallpaper. I'll just open it and show you. I don't know, बहुत अच्छे से है. It's a 3D one. ये slim वाला है, बहुत मस्त है. And yes, देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. मतलब yes, I wanted something in white. I love white color. I hope it's visible. 3D है, shiny वाला है, glossy है. It's not matte. Since it's glossy, you can even wipe it with a wet cloth. ऐसा it claims and it was packed really amazing. बहुत अच्छे से पैक करके आया था and I just loved the packaging. Like कुछ भी इधर उधर नहीं हुआ था, गंदा नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. And yes, we have ordered 10 sheets. You can see. So let's see, एक एक करके लगाते हैं. And I don't know 10 sheets चल जाएगा कि नहीं because the wall is really big. So अगर कुछ कम पड़ गया, we'll reorder it and then apply it. So let's see, even I don't know. And for the mirror part, that will be after this. Yes. Yes. Okay guys, it's done. And 1 2 3 4 5 more मंगाना पड़ेगा. And this couldn't have been possible without my brother Neil. And yes, almost he has done everything. And yes, I just loved it. Now I'll just decorate it. So few things and let's see. And now we'll do the mirror. I'll show you. Just come. Okay, mirror came in this big box and यहाँ पे mirror है and you can see we have to fix everything and do. I'll just let you know. You can see the mess over here. बहुत हालत ख़राब है. See mummy, my brother. Hi Neil. Hi mummy. Mummy has done these cuttings, you know. ये फ्रेम के उधर वाला ये जो कटिंग करना था, ये स्विच बोर्ड के उधर एंड ये कॉर्नर पे, ये इतना बाकी है. वील सी लाइक व्हाट कैन बी डन. सो यस. So I just love this setup. As I said, few things are still left, like वो wall का थोड़ा wallpaper बाकी है. We'll order it again from Amazon and then put it. So let's see, and I may take those clips or I may not. I don't know. Literally, I don't know, because we'll order it today and it will take more like 5 to 6 days or maybe 4 days. Then it will be weekdays. So I don't know I will shoot it or not. But I'll definitely try to shoot it, and then at the end, once that is done, I'll put the room tour, like the makeover. Few things are still left, like my study table is literally a mess. Bedsheet is changed over here. So just trust me on one thing, that whenever you are planning a room makeover, change your bed sheets. It literally changes the room thing, totally changes it. And yes, so I just love this table thing, and few things are still left. So let's see, hope for the best. And yeah, I just enjoyed it. Okay guys, so this is done. Like ये वाला side भी कर दिया है हम लोग ने. And yes, you can see it's ready. This is my favorite corner of the room. I just loved it. Like यहाँ पे morning chits है. The chits, motivational chits, which I open every morning. You can follow me on Instagram for this thing. Like every morning I open this chit on Instagram. That's the speaker. This is the cute laughing Buddha type, gym type. Like देख लो, इसके हाथ में कुछ तो वो weight lifting है. These are the flowers and pot which I've got from Ikea, and that's my purse, table, bed, and this is the mirror. I hope I am visible. Tripod है, ring light है, बहुत कुछ है. I'm shooting video, that's why. But yes, this mirror is also looking very very nice. I just loved it. ये पीछे से ऐसे है. And that's the moon of my birthday. But yes, you can hang your clothes and everything as well behind this mirror. बहुत अच्छा है. It's very very pretty. I just love the mirror. Okay, wait, I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it was something useful. All the links given in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And yes, this wallpaper is looking very 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 pretty, and this is what something I wanted. And if you are thinking to change your room, change your wall, change your home, or any damn thing, you can just try this thing out. It's literally reasonable and amazing. The quality is amazing. I'll put the link. I have already kept the link in the description box. Yes guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And do hit like so it can motivate me and I can make more such videos. Do let me know in the comment section like how was the video. Yeah, bye bye, see you in next video.